Shidim Shuri. Thursday, jobless claim Thursday. Let's see what that number's gonna be and how that will impact the market. Regardless, let's talk about some stock. Yesterday earning, Boeing. The right thing to do this week and late last week was not chasing it into the 160 range, right? And yesterday it went back to 161 and then it came down. It trade very TA wise. Let me zoom in so you can see. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. TA wise. Come down to the 20 and bounce. Of course, I did not know where it would go. I start to add a few share below 159, but the big order yesterday was down there in 154 range. Would I buy today? Now this morning, there's early weakness because the union rejected the offer. That's okay. They will work it out. As you can see, pre-market, it's back down to the zone of the 20. So nothing here to be fearful, right? I like Boeing. I've been on record to say that I hate the company. One of the worst American company in the past decade plus, poorly managed. But new CEO came in. Hopefully he can change the culture. There is a lot to be gained here. Boeing has a fantastic backlog of plane in the hundreds of billions if they can deliver and fix the quality control issues as well as some engineering shortfall. But when it comes down to buying beaten up stock in late October and we are in the heart of the tax loss selling fever right now, it's about risk and reward, right? There is dozens of stock that I would love to buy, but at the end of the day, I put my money where I think give me the biggest bang. And Boeing right now, basically in this price range below 154, give me the biggest bang because I do think we can get 20% run in Boeing by the end of the year. Okay, so that's my expectation / prediction, whatever you want to call it. So would I add more? I think I might sell. I have 3 put spread right now below, way below. You're talking 150, 145. I probably look to sell more, at the least, if not adding more share. I would probably sell put spread for next week. Let me see what this next week. Let's see, November 1st, the end of tax loss selling season. Yeah, I might do this the 145, 141, and get 50 cents. If I can get 50 cents for something like that, or 40 cents, something like that. Yeah, but yeah, that's not a bad trade, right? That's not a bad trade. Even today, even on this dump this morning, I might even add another 150, 145 on weakness. Because 150, let's see, 150, yeah, it's still pretty juicy, right? So I might even add like a 148, 145 and grab 25 cents, something like that. Yeah, for today. Yeah, so there's a lot of things I can do in addition to adding a few more share. So that's Boeing. Don't hate it here. Welcome the opportunity to add more lower. All right. LUV earning this morning coming out soon, so definitely not chasing this one. If there's a pullback, if there is a hard pullback into the 100, then I would consider, right, or sell put spread down here below, because look, this is that zone, the ref low, the 28.3 range, lining up perfectly with the 100 MA. So keep your eyes out for that. If there's a 10% pullback, sell put spread 27. Let me look at the option trade. Is there 27.5? Should be, yep. See, 27.5. That would jump. This right now there's no juice, but if there's a 10% pullback, that would jump, and I would be selling there, perhaps even like a naked one. So that's, I wouldn't chase it here in the, sure, if it break, if earning is awesome, then those are have it. If you long, gap fill, right? Giddy up. If they fill the gap, trim, get out, do whatever you can, lock in your profit. JetBlue, I talk about that. This stock, right? Terrible company, terrible managed company, but TA wise, yeah, it could be a banger. It could be a banger. It's this gray line, yeah. This gray line can turn into the big 30%. As crazy as it sounds, you can look at a 30%, 25% plus return at this here, right? So for the brave and bold, on a pullback this week, I might even buy a few shares, right? Look, last year, October low, October 30th, right? Was it a bad idea to buy at 3.5, 4, and get a 20% return by Christmas? Yeah, hey, 20% is 20%. Anytime you can get a 20% gain on a bet in 3 months or less, you take it. Nobody is gonna complain. Not one person will complain on a 20% gain in less than 3 months. Okay. This one was my pick, and it ran away from my order. I was annoyed. I had an order in. The last time I talked about this, yes, I had an order sitting right here at 10.35, right? I should have moved it up, but for whatever reason, I did not. And it ran away. I wanted that. See, look, you already got 20%. I'm slightly annoyed that I brought this stock up 3 weeks ago, and it did exactly what I thought it would do. It's too late now to chase it, right? So, but then again, on a pullback this week and next week, if it pull back into the 50 MA 11, take it. Okay, take it. Even 12, it might be worth taking it, right? At 20 MA, if there's a pullback today, I would sell a put 11, right? Selling a put at 11 is not a bad idea. If there's a pullback today, I might even, let's see what the put is. Yeah, there's not enough juice right now, okay? Not enough juice right now, but next week, yeah, see, I put at 12, 11, nothing, right? There is not enough meat right now, so nothing you can do about that. All right, let's see what else we could talk about. DAL, Delta. Yeah, this is definitely a no touch for me, right? If you have it, I think it's ref high. Let's see. Let's go back. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Definitely not a stock that I can't recall the last time I traded this stock, if ever. Been so long. Come on. Yeah. Not random. Okay. Look. Not random. So if you have it, hopefully you're smart enough to draw the trend line and get out in the 56 area. I don't know if it been a big run, right? You got a run, a 25% run. Look, 37, more than 25%. What I'm talking about, literally a 30% run. Do a quick math, you can see it. 30% in 2 months. It's over. Okay, I was fantastic. So now I'm not. This is the least, the one I like the least. So that's it. Good luck. As far as earning pre-market, I don't think there's anything worth outside of love. All the action would be, for me at least, after